This is question number 10 on the foundation calculator paper. The question says, you can use this rule to work out the total charge for hiring a concrete mixer. And the rule is the total charge is equal to 30 plus £8 each day. So 30 plus £8 each day. Esme hired the concrete mixer for 4 days. For 4 days, she's going to pay £8 each day, so 8 times 4, and then to that, right, it said 30 plus 8 times each day. So I'm going to do 30 added to 8 times 4. Now let's work out 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. You could use your calculator if you didn't know that. And 30 plus 32, that's going to be £62. So that's going to be the charge that she pays, the total that she pays for hiring the concrete mixer for a total of 4 days. So 8 times 4, 32, and then add on the 30, that's how much she pays altogether. Okay, looking at part B. Part B says, William also hired a concrete mixer. The total charge was £110. Work out how many days William hired the concrete mixer for. So they want us to work out how many days he hired the concrete mixer for altogether. Now remember the rule. The rule said it was 30 plus £8 each day. Now I'm only putting that in because I'm going to move this up a bit. You don't need to write that in. But if the total charge is going to be 110, I need to sort of work backwards through this to work out how many days he ordered or he hired the concrete mixer for. So if he paid 110, remember we did the number of days times 8 and then added 3. So we need to added 30. Sorry, we need to take away 30 from 110. So you could use a calculator, but 110 take away 30 is going to give me 80. Okay, and then remember we times the number of days by 8. So the opposite of timesing by 8 is to divide by 8. 80 divided by 8 is going to give me 10. So that should mean that he hired it for 10 days altogether. Now we could check that. If he hired it for 10 days, and it was £8 each day, so that means £80 altogether. 80 plus 30, that's going to give us 110. So that's the right answer. He hired it for 10 days. Now this is a bit of a tricky question in some ways. In some ways it is straightforward. You need to break it down, think about each step, each stage, and take your time as you're working through it, and you should be able to get full marks in it.